I've been here 42 years. They're the worst invasive species I've ever seen.
Feral pigs, their introduction into a commercial working farm is devastating.
They are wreaking havoc on our watersheds, on our crops, and all of our habitat, period.
This is the solution to the pig problem, is a trap that simple. I've been trapping pigs for over 25 years. This was not some genius idea sitting at a drawing board. It was sitting in the jungle of Guam. We decided, why not just try net as a wall? It really was kind of a stunning moment while you're watching a pig go in and go, this is astounding. How did I not think of something so simple of a solution? And here it is right in front of me.
My first impression was, this is genius. Why hasn't someone thought of this before? The very first time we employed it, we caught, I believe the first kill was 18 pigs.
First time I saw it, I was real skeptical. Now that we've been running it and testing it, it's amazing. It's also satisfying to see a trap full of pigs.
They just root right under and don't really know what they're doing until it's too late.
The process is really quite simple. First, you pick a site that makes sense. Typically, it's a site you've probably been using to either hunt them, or you've seen them, or you've identified damage. You then build your T-post ring, as very easily outlined in the instructions that came.
Once they start eating around the post, then we come in and hang our net, and we leave it up for 3 or 4 days with them walking under the net, letting it brush on their backs.
And this net is ideal because they almost, once they get used to going under it and you lay it down low enough where their backs are actually touching the top of this thing, they just root right under.
And then when you're ready to trigger the trap, you lay the net down just like a batting cage. You clip it onto the earth anchors, and sure enough, the pigs will find they nose their way up under the net to the opening in the center, and once they're in that opening in the center, they cannot nose their way back out.
The good thing about this trap is once one group goes in, other pigs can continue going in. And the number one benefit is I get to sleep all night. I don't have to stay up all night watching a camera to shut a door off my phone. I go to bed at night, I get up in the morning, and I check traps.